The science behind luck. Can you make your own? Are some people born lucky, or is there science behind what we call luck? From psychology to probability, let's dive into whether you can create your own good fortune. Why did the unlucky gambler bring a pencil to the casino? Because he thought luck might draw his way. The role of probability. Luck often boils down to probability. Understanding odds and taking calculated risks increases your chances of lucky outcomes. Optimism and perception. Research shows that people who view themselves as lucky tend to notice more opportunities, turning chance events in their favor. The law of large numbers. Over time, the law of large numbers suggests that everyone experiences both good and bad luck, with patterns emerging from repeated events. Behavioral influence. People who act confidently and take proactive steps often create situations where luck can occur, essentially, making their own luck. Cognitive bias. The way we perceive events influences how we categorize luck. Confirmation bias leads us to remember lucky breaks more than everyday failures. The power of serendipity. Being open to new experiences and taking chances can lead to serendipitous moments that feel like luck, but are really about positioning yourself in the right place at the right time. Visualization and mindset. Athletes and high achievers often visualize successful outcomes, increasing their likelihood of performing well, creating a form of self-made luck. Environmental factors. Luck isn't just about the individual. Social networks, geography, and timing can all play a role in creating advantageous situations. The role of skill. Sometimes what appears to be luck is actually skill. Those who prepare well tend to encounter more favorable outcomes. Near misses. People often attribute near misses to bad luck, but these moments can actually signal that you're close to success and encourage persistence. Luck and risk-taking. Taking risks can expose you to lucky breaks, but too much risk can lead to failure. Balancing the two is key to capitalizing on luck. The gambler's fallacy. In games of chance, many believe that luck can turn in their favor, but the gambler's fallacy shows that each event is independent and unpredictable. Superstitions and rituals. People often engage in rituals or carry lucky objects to increase their luck, but these behaviors are usually more about psychological comfort than actual influence. While luck may feel random, your mindset, behavior, and understanding of probability can influence your outcomes. By taking calculated risks and staying open to opportunities, you might just find yourself a little luckier. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.